This Porsche 944 was abandoned in a field for 15 years, but we were contacted by a junkyard to try to save this before it gets scrapped. Can we do it? I don't know, but even getting out of this lot took over 3 hours, so let's find out. But for the question of the video, leave your answers in the comments below. This car is gold, and I know not everybody loves the color gold on cars. So do you guys like it or do you dislike it? And then also, what is your favorite color of car? Leave a comment below.